This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. Count the spaces on the grid carefully. Okay, so when I click run, nothing happens. We have no blocks yet. All right, workspace. We have one block, yep, and we can use up to 10. All right, so let's go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blocks. 7 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. And is this where we turn? Remember, code runs in order, and you can always, always, always test it out a whole bunch. Boom. And yep, so I guess we're going to turn right here. And I want to go to the right. And 1, 2, 3, 4 again? Interesting. So 1, 2, 3, 4 again. Huh. You know what I noticed? Look at this. We have this repeat. What if we use this instead of writing it out so many times? I think this should work, okay? But let's test this out. Let's see if I put this here. And just like before, I had move forward 4 times. Instead, I'm going to have move forward just in here once. But I'll say repeat 4 times, do the move forward. Let's see. Boom. And now, how about this? What if right here, we now turn right, and how many times do I want to move forward? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So we could replace this, and we could do that again. Right? That should work. There's also, and what we were doing would work too. Right? So here's one solution, except we could use less blocks like this. We could also just use this chunk, because we can turn right twice, right? So I can put this in here, and I'll move forward 4 times, and I'll turn right. Then I'll move forward 4 times, and I'll turn right down here. There's a whole bunch of different solutions, okay? So remember, this was the original one we had without the pink stuff, right? But we can use a loop. Let's test this out. We could also use a nested loop, but we'll get to that later. Boom, we got it. And I want to show you a nested loop. We can make this even more complicated, but more efficient. I have 4 move forwards in here. I'm going to get rid of those. I'm going to have a loop or a repeat and a repeat. So I'm going to, 2 times I'm going to repeat. I want to move forward 4 times. Now I'll run this. So it's going to start, move forward once, right? And then it's going to move forward again, and then again, and then again. And now that it's run 4 times, it drops below and hits turn right. And we turn right. Now I hit step and it goes zoop. Oh yeah, I need to run 1 more time. I got to repeat this. Okay. Oh wait, now I have to do 4, move forward 4 times. Okay. And so we're going to walk forward 4 times again, and victory. If it kept running, we would still turn right. Awesome. Let's keep going.